Hi, this is Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students got based in a company, so he is going to share his experience.
Hi, my name is DIXIT. I am from Vivekananda Institute of Technology. I have joined PySpiders to upgrade my skills. I have taken the course of Python full stack development, in which subjects included Python, Django, web technology, and SQL. So my Python trainer was Lakshmi Prasad sir, and my Django trainer was Alex sir, and SQL trainer was Dhanraj sir, and web technology was taken by Umashankar sir. So I have done boot camps and presentations and stage presentation to take out my fear of stage fear. This is the way I used to train myself, and I got selected in that company.
Okay. Yes. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.